Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of installing the Asgard Kodi Addon. This addon is packed with features like movie scrapers, TV scrapers, 4K one-click, non-Debrid, soaps, documentaries, sports, stand-up apps, music, anime, and so much more. It's the ultimate all-in-one solution for your Kodi experience. So let's get started. First, from the Kodi home screen, head up to the top left and click on the System Settings icon, the gear icon. Next, click on File Manager. On the left, select Add Source. You'll see a box that says None. Click on that. Now, type in the URL https://milostsolspace.co.uk/repo/. In the box below, name it Narcissist and click OK. Double-check everything to make sure it's correct and then click OK again. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Return to the main menu and go to Add-ons. Now, click on the add-on package installer icon at the top left. From here, select Install from zip file. You may get a warning pop-up. Just click Yes and make sure Unknown Sources is enabled if it isn't already. Step 5. Install Narcissist repository. A box will pop up, select Narcissist. Then click on Repository Narcissist Wizard 1.1.9.zip or the latest version available. Wait for the repository to download and for a message at the top right to confirm it's installed. Step 6. Install Asgard Addon. Now select Install from Repository, click on Lost Souls Repository, and then go to Video Add-ons. Find Asgard and click on it, then select Install. Step 7. Set up Real-Debrid, which is optional. To get the most out of Asgard, you can set up Real-Debrid for premium links. Open Asgard, scroll down and select Asgard Settings. On the left, go to Asgard Debrid and choose Asgard Reauth Real-Debrid. A PIN code will appear, take note of it. Then on your smartphone or computer, open a browser and go to the URL https://real-debrid.com/device. Enter the PIN code and click Allow. Your Real-Debrid setup is now complete. If you don't have a Real-Debrid account, be sure to explore the Non-Debrid section, which has free links available for everyone. And remember, always use a good VPN when streaming with Kodi for privacy and security. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable VPN, I recommend NordVPN. It has multiple high-speed servers with no throttling or logs. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Kodi tips and tricks. See you in the next video.